YouTube, what's up, man? So yeah, look at that view of Houston, man. Yeah, so I'm gonna just give y'all a quick little POV. I probably got like 10 minutes, 15 minutes before I get to the house, but man, we get the cat real soon, man. Cat coming real soon, man. Cat's coming real soon, man. Toyota Center over there, man. Y'all see the Toyota Center? Y'all probably can't. It's big, man. But yeah, cat coming real soon. We midway to the scat, so we to the cat. Still got mods coming on the scat pack, but as of right now, we just gonna mainly focus on solely the Hellcat, because the scat has got at least $6,000 to $7,000 worth of work done. You know what I'm saying? Since I had it. So with that being said. So it's just a little POV, the graffiti wall. If you come to Houston, 9 times out of 10, the graffiti wall is always got something going on. So if you ever come to Houston and you say, oh man, ain't nothing to do, go to the graffiti wall. That's all I'm gonna tell you, go to the graffiti wall. It probably don't even matter what time you go. I ain't gonna lie to you, you go, I know you go at least by 10, 11, 12, 1, you might still catch some action. Yeah, so right now we are in the midst. This bitch, look at her, fucking cornball. They be cornballs, bro. Like she just did all that speeding up. Ooh, G-Wagon. Get y'all some quick pulls before we get to the house. That's really why I jumped on her. Thought I was cool. I thought I paddle shifted. My bad. Let's see if we can get a nice. Y'all ain't never been to Houston, y'all get to see what some of the landscaping like, you know. But yeah, so right now, man, we currently got to go get new tires for the scat. I'm going to, so I was smart. I had grabbed some 305s already because I knew I was getting a cat. I could throw the 305s on the back. So the 275s that I got in the back of the scat, I mean the Hellcat, I'm gonna put the 305s I got on the scat pack in the back of the scat, 275 in the front. Then I'm gonna go, so what I'm gonna do is, my bad, y'all, I'll just tweet. So I'm gonna take, I got 315s on the back of here right now. I'm gonna take them off and get rid of them. They balled, I done burnt them out. But what I'm gonna do is, so I got 305s on the front of here. I'm gonna slap those on the back. Then I'm gonna throw the 275, the 275s that's already on the Hellcat, they're gonna stay on there. Then the 275s that's in the back of the Hellcat, I'm gonna throw in the front of the scat. I mean, in the back of the scat, and then I'm gonna put the 245 on the front. So it just look a little more crazy. It look like it's crawling. Let me know if y'all caught that, if y'all understood what I was saying, because I tried to explain it the best way I could. Yeah. I have to be careful with these cars all up through here. But so that's what I'm thinking right now. I'm gonna do that. We are at our location. We are at our destination. So with that being said, man, one more pull. And we are out of there, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man.